What's up, guys? I'm Chantz with Chantz Fabz, and let me show you around the new shop. So people that followed me for the past couple years saw that I started in a 2-car garage. It was awesome. And now I've expanded into basically like 2 garages I've like tripled my space basically. So here's my little tour. It's a little small 1-car garage. I have my CNC plasma set up, my drill press, and my sander. Basically, this is like my dirty side where all my preparation will go, and then I'll make my the big side. The big shop is gonna be where I do all my finished fabrication and stuff. Let me know what you think. My 4x8 CNC plasma cutter is a Wright CNC machine. I'll do an in-depth video about it in the near future. So far, I've loved it, and I'm nothing but pleased with Wright for all their customer service. I've been on numerous phone calls and FaceTime calls with troubleshooting certain things, and they overnight parts if something is an issue. Big thumbs up to Wright. They're awesome. I recommend them to anybody that doesn't have a lot of money and wants to get into CNC, just boost their business. They're awesome. They will back you, and like I said, huge thumbs up. The quality's nice. Check out my flag. Excellent. The setup isn't 100% final yet. I just got everything pretty much functional. I think I'm gonna make like an overhead gantry setup so I can lift heavier stuff onto my table without having to struggle. But let me know what you think so far on that. Also, for my CNC plasma setup, I have my air compressor on the lean-to over here so I can't hear it. In my last shop, my 2-car garage, I had my air compressor right next to me, and it was very just loud and terrible. It was not good. So I learned, and now it's on the side. I'll show you. So it's there in the back. Bada bing, bada boom. I still have to anchor it to the ground. Right now it vibrates a lot and is a little bit louder than it will be when it's finished. I might build a box around it and kind of insulate it so it's a little bit more quiet, but it's a lot more quieter than being right next to me rattling my brain. But that's pretty much complete from the little shop over here where I do all my prep work. This is like the prep shop. The bigger shop, let me walk over there. So the bigger shop is gonna be where I work on rigs or vehicles, and it's gonna be like finished product kind of thing, so I don't get grinding dust or anything like that on a client's vehicle. My go-to fabrication table is my 4 foot by 4 foot little cart that I built a while back ago. It has 2 shelves to store all my tools while in fabrication mode. Because when you get in fabrication mode, you're always throwing everything on your table because you need 100 things. But this table allows me to fabricate something and while putting my tools back where it goes, exactly where it goes. Either it's on a dowel or on a shelf. It's really nice because it keeps your platform, your working platform, nice and clean so you can be efficient. My TIG workbench is over here in the corner. I have my TIG machine set up on it all times and a nice little table that I can get down and dirty if it's aluminum, stainless, steel, anything. I have my torch over here if I need to heat up anything and bend it or cut it. I also have my brake over here. This is just a Harbor Freight, nice little brake. It works for what I use it for. I don't bend super heavy stuff. My motorcycle lift, like I said, I'm not really sure exactly my final layout, but it works right here for now. I have my plasma cutter over there just to cut something really quick. All my little oils and paints and stuff, and my little general toolbox. Like I said, nothing's final, just kind of throw it together. Let me know if you guys have any recommendations on what you think I should do to like change it around. I always encourage you guys to help me out because I have this big old balcony here in the back, and I think I'm gonna actually have to demo it because I'm gonna put a 2-post lift in here in the near future. Let me know what you guys think I should do. But I'm leaning towards demoing it because I think it's taking up a little bit too much space and it's kind of wasted space. Let me give you an up close. Yeah, so let me know what you think I should do about this thing. It's really cool, it's built really well. I like how everything is wired. Let me show you this breaker panel. Really organized. I have all the 220 switches I ever could dream of. My setup isn't 100% final yet. Just kind of threw everything in here and try to make it flow. Overall, I'm very pleased. Lots of potential here. If I was able to do what I did out of a 2-car garage, this will enhance performance for sure, and finished product should be a lot better. Let me show you the big lean-to where my truck's parked and where I can stage materials. My truck is a crew cab long bed power stroke, and this lean-to still has room behind it. I got like an attacking bird right now. What the heck? Ah! I have shop birds, I suppose, I reckon. But yeah, I have a lot of room in here. If I'm working on a big rig or a trailer, I can work on it out here and cut and grind and weld and all sorts of stuff. So I'm excited about that too, because some builds are just dirty no matter how clean you try to do it. So this will be like my dirty setup. I'll just drive my truck out of here and it's like a complete open bay with a really tall roof. My truck's lifted on 37s and it still has miles of room. So I can pretty much put a freaking semi-truck underneath here. But overall, I'm very pleased. Let me know what you guys think I should do about that balcony and what kind of lift I should get. I'm leaning towards a 2-post lift that can hold 10K. But I don't know which one yet. Definitely want one that has like a tie-in piece at the top. But I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos and accelerate my building for sure. Very excited. It's gonna be awesome. So that's pretty much my shop in a little nutshell. Please comment below if you have any recommendations on what you think I should do a little differently or tweak it. This definitely isn't my final setup. I can see myself moving a lot of things around, especially if I demo that balcony in the big shop. Then I can move my TIG workshop somewhere. I think I'm gonna put my TIG machine on its own little cart, and then definitely getting a 2-post lift to put rigs on so I can work underneath it to do exhaust work or put a truck up in the air to do a bumper. Definitely need a 2-post lift. It's in the near future. Subscribe for more, comment down below, and stay tuned. There's gonna be a lot more videos to make. I got a lot of CNC stuff that I wanna spit out. Again, thanks for watching. Always a pleasure. Have a good evening. Woohoo!